For this example, I'm going to show you how to read this compound statement here. This is read as P and not Q, or if R, then S. And you can see here that this first P and not Q, it's kind of separated in this first clause here, and it has these parentheses around it. And then we have a second clause over here, which is if R, then S. And then in between, we can see that we have an or. So some of the basic things that we want to know before we actually construct a truth table for a compound statement is to determine what type of compound statement that it is. And of course, this one is an or statement, or in other words, a disjunction. The disjunction or. And then the next thing we want to know is determine the number of rows of truth values the compound statement's truth table will contain. So when we go ahead and we construct the truth table, it's nice to know how many rows there will be within that truth table. And the way we determine that is 2 to the k power, where k is equal to the number of simple statements. And though we don't know what these simple statements are, or what they say, we do know that there's 4 of them. We have one here, P, one here, Q, another one here, R, and another one here, S. So there seems to be 4 simple statements that make up this compound statement. So how many rows of truth values, if we were to construct this truth table for this compound statement, it would have 2 to the 4th power, which is 16 rows. It would contain 16 rows of truth values.